Hello everyone, welcome to my channel A to Z Nursing Notes. I'm Rupinder and I'm back with another informative video for all the internationally educated nurses who want to become a registered nurse in Canada. Are you an internationally educated nurse? Do you want to become a registered nurse in Ontario? Have you started application process with NNAS? If yes, guys, there is a big news for you. This College of Nurses of Ontario has amended its evaluation process for the registration of internationally educated nurses in Canada. It is supposed that this new rule came into existence to meet the needs of nursing professionals amid COVID-19, as the evaluation process is very lengthy and most of the internationally educated nurses do not meet the educational requirements of Canada according to NNAS evaluation. CNO will now consider passing NCLEX RN as a criteria to fulfill your educational requirements. This means that if you have passed the NCLEX RN exam, you are demonstrating to CNO that you have the necessary entry-level nursing knowledge, skill and judgment to meet the nursing educational requirements. CNO will contact all the eligible candidates on their online application portal. Now, who will benefit from this rule? All the internationally educated nurses who have applied to the CNO for review after getting their advisory report from NNAS and found to have educational gaps, they will be benefiting a lot from this. Internationally educated nurses who have applied for the NNAS evaluation or who are wishing or thinking to apply for NNAS evaluation, and internationally educated nurses who have already given the NCLEX RN exam on or after 1st April 2013. They will also benefit from this. But there are few things to keep in mind. This rule only fulfills your educational requirements. That is, all other requirements like the jurisprudence exam, the language test, the evidence of practice, these are not met by this rule. So you have to qualify all these requirements, and plus if you have educational gaps and you give NCLEX RN exam and clear it, then you will be eligible to become a registered nurse in Ontario, right? But guys, you still have to go through the NNAS evaluation process. Now NNAS, it is the first step for all the internationally educated nurses who want to become a registered nurse in Canada. NNAS, it validates and authenticates all your documents, that is the educational documents, the identification, registration, employment and language tests. They all verify these documents. And based on these documents, the NNAS sends its advisory report to the concerned regulatory bodies. Now CNO is the regulatory body in Ontario, but you cannot apply to CNO directly. So you have to start your NNAS process. And guys, if you want to learn how to create your NNAS account online, then I have posted the link of that video in the description box. Also, if you want to learn how to fill the NNAS application online, I have given the link of that video also in the description box, right? So please start your NNAS process as soon as possible. Another thing is that you are not eligible for giving the you are not eligible if you have given the NCLEX exam before April 2013. Now guys, actually when this rule came into existence in March 2021, the cutoff date was January 2015. But after reviewing their feedback and the other processes, and CNO decided to extend, cut short the date, right? So all the best for your future, guys. Thank you very much.